Welcome to Gas Software. In this tutorial, we'll see how to import purchase bills, that is invoices of BPCL. Let me remind you that this tutorial is only for Bharat Gas distributors and not for other distributors. So before I go ahead, I'd like to bring to your notice that first you have to download from your SAP this particular report, that is list of invoice acknowledgement report, which contains all these invoices. Thereafter, you have to update the current rates in item master of all the cylinders. The cylinder, say for example 14.2 kg cylinder, you have to update the latest rates of the rate of that prevailing month which you are importing in the purchase rate field. Now, how to calculate this rate is already explained to you in this tutorial. Enter purchase of BPCL invoice in gas software. This tutorial explains to you how to calculate this rate. At the time of recording this tutorial is at serial number 14. However, over a period of time, the serial number may undergo change. Nonetheless, let me make you aware of the formula to calculate the cylinder rate is equal to taxable value plus delivery charges, the whole divided by number of cylinders. The taxable value is obtained from your purchase invoice before GST. Just below the taxable value appears the delivery charges, which is to be added to the taxable value, and whatever the product or the result is to be divided by the quantity of cylinders appearing in the invoice, that is the number of cylinder, which gives you per cylinder rate. This rate you have to update over here in gas software purchase rate. Well, after entering the purchase rate, also important is the purchase code. The purchase code of 14.2 kg cylinder is 5350 and 5370. So you, after writing 5350, entering 5350, you enter comma. This symbol which appears like a full stop is not a full stop, it's a comma. Thereafter, without any space or gap, you enter 5370 and say save. Similarly, you need to enter the rate, the prevailing rate before GST of all other cylinders like say 19 kg cylinder, and also enter the cylinder code. If you enter the purchase rate, wrong purchase rate, then the wrong rates, the wrong amount will appear in the invoice which you import. So you need to be very careful about the rate. Hence, first check this rate by manually entering the invoice under the option data entry purchase, and thereafter if the net amount tallies, then you enter this purchase rate. Well, thereafter you click option data entry, option import purchase bills, change the date to first of the month, as you can import all the bills in a month. Click this import button. As I told you, you have to download the file from SAP, list of invoice acknowledgement report. This particular file you will import. Show the import, yes. You will observe on the screen that one by one every invoice with items is inputted. Once this is over, you save this by selecting BPCL, your principal supplier. Sure to save yes. Well, you will see on the screen that every invoice is picked up from the file, from the Excel sheet, and returned to the database of your software. This will take some amount of time. We'll wait for the same, for the process to end. Well, all the invoices are imported. You can get to sales, purchase stock report, and click purchase, register, show report. You will see all the invoices here. But the matter does not end over here, because the TCS, that is tax collected at source, amount is not imported. Hence, you need to enter it manually. So you go to every invoice, right click it, click modify. Thereafter, you go over here, this plus sign, click this plus sign, click this three dots. In accounts, you select TCS account, OK twice. Thereafter, you enter the enter key, press the enter key. Menu pops up, enter amount, you say OK. The cursor enters the amount field. Here you can enter the TCS amount appearing in your invoice. You may enter only the two digits after the decimal and can ignore the third and the fourth digit in case if there is any. Thereafter, press enter. Enter. The net amount should ideally tally at this stage. However, if it does not tally, that means something is wrong in the rate or something is wrong in the TCS amount which you have entered and which you need to recheck and re-enter. Well, I assume that this is the net amount is tallying with the invoice, and I hence save this. Well, with this, we are through with the tutorial of importing purchase invoice. Thanks for your time.